honest if you knew that it would lead to humiliation, you would be yelled at, might get a punishment, or people might judge you? It's very frustrating for parents to teach children not to lie. But once we know why the child lies, we can help raise an honest child. Let's see how. Before I give you certain tips today on how to make your child stop from lying, I want you to do a small exercise. Understand that whenever any situation happens, how do you as a parent react? Is it that you always give a knee-jerk reaction? For example, if there is a juice which got spilled on the carpet, how would you instantly react to it? What if you're asking your toddler to clean up the toys and he does not listen to you? How do you react to it? Understand your own behavior first, because nobody would like to speak if he knows that the reaction is going to be leading to punishment or being yelled at or being judged at all the time. Not just the child, even an adult feels the same. So first, understand your own behavior. Lying isn't always done with ulterior motives. If your preschooler starts lying, that means it's a new developmental milestone. It shifts the way your child takes the information, organizes the information, and interprets the information. If the child knows that my reaction is going to lead me to a punishment, or I'll be judged by my parents, or I'll be yelled at perhaps, so the child starts hiding, the child starts to lie. The first and the foremost thing is, don't set up a lie. You know what does that mean? Let's see. For example, if you see laundry spilled all over the child's bedroom, and if you know that your child has not completed the homework, if you see there is mud all across in the living room, so rather than asking them the obvious questions that have you cleaned the laundry? Have you completed your homework? Have you cleaned up the mud which is on the floor? You know that the child is going to fabricate an answer and come up with some excuse to lie. So don't give them an opportunity to set up that lie. So that is the first and the foremost thing. Rather, ask your question in a different form. You may ask, what are your plans about completing the homework? How about cleaning the mud? It's very important to get the whole truth. Though you would be feeling like putting your child on the spot if you've caught him making a mistake or lying to you. But rather than confronting him head on, it's better that you ask him what is the reason behind him lying to you, choosing to be dishonest over being honest. So understand where the child is coming from. And always celebrate if the child is being very honest to you. If the child is able to take up that step and come up and share all the mischievous things he has done or any personal secret that he or she may have shared with you. Always celebrate honesty with your children. Try taking some small steps and you will see wonders happen.